Make your yard work faster and easier with the Champion Power Equipment 3-inch portable chipper shredder. Powered by a 224cc Champion engine, this powerful machine transforms branches, brush, leaves, and yard debris into mulch or decorative accents for your yard. The large glove grip recoil handle makes startup quick and easy, even when you're wearing bulky work gloves. Equipped with 2 hardened steel chipper blades, the chipper shoe is designed to handle limbs and branches up to 3 inches in diameter. The shredder chute has a 15.2-inch shredder blade and 6 shredder hammers, perfect for shredding shrubbery, leaves, or yard debris up to a ½ inch in diameter. Included with your chipper is a tough 2-bushel collection bag for easy cleanup or mulch application. Plus, the handy cleanout port allows for safe and quick removal of any blockages. This tough chipper shredder has 12-inch never flat tires and an integrated handle, so you can easily move from one job to the next or in and out of storage. The durable steel frame is built to last, and the compact vertical design takes up less storage space in your garage, shop, or shed. This powerful chipper shredder can take 20 bags of leaves and debris and reduces them down to a single bag, saving you time, money, and making your yard work easy.
Time to tidy up your yard. Turn garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch with the Chipper Joe electric chipper and shredder from Sun Joe. Assembly is easy. Mount the wheels, screw it into place, plug it in, and go. 14 amps of rotary blade power to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Brush, leaves, branches, twigs, chip, shred, mulch, and compost. With an electric motor that runs at up to 4,300 revolutions per minute. And steel blades that reduce waste to 1/16 of its original size. Chipper Joe can do it all. Create perfect mulch for trees, flower beds, and lawns. Clean your yard and nurture it. No smoke, no fumes, no finicky starters or costly tune-ups. It just works. Shred branches up to 1.5 inches thick quickly and safely with its removable safety switch and safety stop that automatically engages when the hopper is opened. Chipper Joe is ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. When yard chores seem to be overwhelming, chipper up with some help from Chipper Joe and experience a faster and easier way to chip and shred. Get the tools that do the doing. Chipper Joe from Sun Joe.
With the Eco Shredder, you can now make your own organic garden mulch, reducing all your yard waste to a fraction of its size, saving you time and money. The 3-cycle shredding and mulching system ensures consistent results, breaking down all your leaves, sticks, and small branches into nutrient-rich compost to fertilize all your garden needs. The rounded hopper design with V-type blade makes cleanup and maintenance a breeze. Safety features include an overload protection switch that will turn off the motor during a jam. And unlike gas-powered shredders, it's a much quieter and cleaner operation. The 7-inch wheels have been designed for maximum portability across any terrain, and the compact design makes it easy to store in a shed or workshop. Each Eco Shredder comes with an environmentally friendly tamper and a free set of replacement blades.
Make quick work out of loads of twigs, brush, and branches while turning your yard waste into beneficial mulch with the CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Sun Joe. Its powerful 15-amp motor easily crushes, chips, and shreds branches up to 1.73 inches wide, while the 21-to-1 reduction ratio reduces sticks and dead vegetation to nutrient-rich ground cover, ideal for gardens and flower beds. Simply fill and empty the included collection bag or set it aside and make a mulch pile wherever it's needed. The chipper shredder comes equipped with sturdy wheels and a large transport handle for maximum mobility around the yard and garden. And Sun Joe's safety features include a paddle feeder and a built-in safety switch. Plus, every CJ603E comes complete with a 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So go with Joe and get set to make more mulch. CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
The Earthquake line of 2...
the YardMax 3-inch 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder. A durable and easy-to-use machine that conveniently turns branches and other yard debris into mulch, compost, or wood chips. Powered by a 6.5 horsepower engine and with an easily adjustable self-feeding chute that efficiently handles branches up to 3 inches diameter with no extra prep or pruning. Save valuable time and hassle with the rugged, easy to maneuver and maintain YardMax chipper shredder. Backed by a 2-year warranty. Max value, max performance.